Good morning, dear students. Today we will start chapter number 11 of EVS, Cooking and Eating. So before starting the chapter, Saina wants to know something. What she wants to know? She wants to know why we need to cook some food items while we eat others raw. Raw means कच्चा. कि कुछ food items ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम खाने से पहले we cook before eating and some we eat raw. So some food items like cucumber, radish and carrot can be eaten raw, while some food like ladyfinger, potato and meat need to be cooked. Why do we cook? We cook because cooking makes the food soft, tasty and easy to chew and digest. That's why we cook the food. Now there are different methods of cooking. What are the different methods of cooking? First is boiling. So in boiling, what we do? In boiling, we cook food item in boiling water. It can be done in a deep pan or a wok. Rice, pulses and some vegetables are cooked by boiling. And you know, milk is also boiled but without adding water. We should not add water in a milk. The second method is baking. Baking सुनकर ही मन में क्या आता है? Cake. So baking involves cooking the food item without adding any liquid or fat. Breads, biscuits and cake are made by baking. An oven is used to bake things. Like here it is an oven. Third method is frying. In frying, food is cooked in hot oil or ghee. As you all like samosa, puri, pakoda. So these are the food that we cook by frying. We make puri, samosa, pakoda and finger chips by frying in a wok. This is called deep frying. When we fry a food in a it requires a lot of oil. Deep frying requires a lot of oil. Parathas and pudas. Pudas means chilla, like besan chilla, are lined on a griddle with less fried on a griddle with less oil. This is called shallow frying. When we use a lot of oil, that is called deep frying, and when we use less oil, that is called shallow frying. Baked and roasted food is healthier than fried food that is rich in fat. So what is written here? It is written here, baked and roasted food is healthier than fried food. So we should avoid fried food. Clear? Roasting. Third method is roasting. Fourth method is roasting. In roasting, food is cooked in an oven on over fire. Like this is skewer. Paneer, chicken and vegetables are often roasted on a skewer. Chapatis, corn and some dry fruits are also eaten roasted. Like you can say chili paneer. Paneer tikka. So paneer tikka is an example of roasted food. Grilling. Meat and some vegetables are sometimes cooked over direct heat. This is called grilling. It can be done in a grilling or a tandoor. When we cook food on direct heat, that is called grilling, and over fire, that is called roasting. Steaming. Next is steaming. Some food items like idli, dhokla and momos are often steamed before eating. Usually steaming is done in a steamer or a pressure cooker. In this, we cook food at a high temperature with steam. One important thing, reheating food again and again makes the food lose its nutrients. जब हम खाने को बार बार गर्म करते हैं तो उसके nutrients खत्म हो जाते हैं. We should not reheat the food again and again. Next is different type of vessels that we use for cooking, like frying pan, wok, griddle. Griddle means tawa, pressure cooker, pot, serving spoon, teaspoon, skimmer जिसे हम पूड़ी और पकोड़ा फ्राई करते हैं, spatula, ladle and tablespoon. These are the different vessels that we use for cooking. Here you have to match them with the food items. Now types of stoves and fuels. The given table shows the different type of stoves and the fuels used in cooking. The chula. Earlier we used chula in villages. We use chula. So in chula we use as fuel wood, coal and cow dung cakes. Gas stove that we are using in our kitchen, that used liquefied petroleum gas, that is called LPG. So what is the full form of LPG? LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Third is kerosene stove. Kerosene stove used kerosene oil. Solar cooker, as by the name you can understand, solar cooker use sunlight. Next is microwave, oven, electric stove. They use electricity for cooking food. Next is eating in a family. It is fun to eat together as a family. It gives a feeling of togetherness and is a time to discuss all that happened during the day. All family members should eat at least one meal of the day together. Yes, this is very important. हम सबको being a family एक बार खाना, दिन का एक मील, breakfast or lunch or dinner, we should eat together. Next is members of a family help others in various ways like cooking, serving, laying table, buying vegetables and groceries, etc. Like mama cook food in a kitchen and father brings groceries from the market, and being a children you can help in laying the dining table or serving the food. So each and everyone can help in a family. In most homes, the same kind of food is eaten by all members of the family, but sometimes different kind of food is cooked for the members who have special needs. Means फैमिली में वैसे तो जो खाना बनता है वो सबको ही खाना, एक ही खाना सबको खाना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए नहीं मुझे ये नहीं खाना, मुझे ये नहीं खाना. बट जिन कुछ लोगों की स्पेशल नीड्स होती हैं उनके लिए डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फूड बनता है. लाइक पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट एजेस नीड डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशन. जो डिफरेंट काइंड एजेस के पीपल होते हैं, जैसे बहुत स्मॉल बेबीज़ होते हैं या घर में ओल्ड पीपल होते हैं, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं, तो वो इतना फ्राइड और ये सब चीज़ें नहीं खा सकते ना, तो उनके लिए स्पेशल फूड बनता है जिसमें क्या होता है, न्यूट्रिशन होता है. अ पर्सन हु इज़ अनवेल ऑल्सो नीड्स स्पेशल फूड. अब जो बीमार है, अब किसी को फीवर हो रखा है, तो वो ऐसे थोड़ा खाएगा कि हाँ उसको पनीर टिक्का खाना है या उसको चाट खानी है या उसको पकौड़ा खाना है. तो जो बीमार होते हैं, जो उनको भी स्पेशल फूड चाहिए होता है. ओल्ड पीपल नीड फूड दैट इज सॉफ्ट टू च्यू एंड ईजी टू डाइजेस्ट. इन्फेंट होते हैं स्मॉल बेबीज. इन्फेंट ड्रिंक ओनली मिल्क. जो बहुत छोटे बेबी होते हैं, जो अभी न्यू बॉर्न होते हैं. स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन प्रेफर लेस स्पाइसी फूड. जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनको कम स्पाइसी फूड खाना होता है. इफ़ अ फैमिली मेम्बर इज़ अनवेल, ही शी इज़ गिवन फूड दैट हेल्प्स टू रिकवर क्विकली. अगर घर में कोई बीमार होता है तो उसको ऐसा खाना देना चाहिए जिससे वो जल्दी से ठीक हो जाए. ग्रैंडमा आस्क्ड, eatables like chips, burgers, noodles and pizzas are called junk food. Why should we not eat too much of them? Because they are harmful for us. Clear? So this was a chapter. You have to read the chapter again and watch the video carefully. Thank you.